Let's do it. All right, I got the power off to here, and all smoke alarms are not created equal. This one I'm gonna unscrew, but it's got a little deal on the side. Oh, here it is. And I think I have to kind of push on it. I push on that because this thing is clicked on when you turn on this particular one. This is a kitty. When you tighten it, goes da, 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 da. And so to get it off the da, 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 I have to push this little thing over here. If you didn't know that, you'd be like, what's going on? So like I say, each one is slightly different. You just have to look at it. So I'm going to push this in, and I'm going to turn it to the left. Come on. And see, it's been up there for a while. I'm moving the whole box. I'm moving the whole box up. Look at that. The whole thing's about ready to come down because I'm. Oh, here we go. It's just come on. The last one I took off, it took me a little bit to get it. And okay, we'll try. Come on now. Okay, there. I had to go that way a little bit further and then go back like that. Okay. And I took it right off. Isn't that something? Okay. Here's my here it is like this. Now I have to pinch little things on the sides to pop this adapter off, okay? And now I got this off, okay? Now I can pull all that stuff out of there. Before I do that, I undo the screws, and I see that the one screw, because I was messing with that, has gone up through the plastic. Isn't that something? All right, I may have to put a washer up there when I get ready to reinstall that, because when I get ready to get done, I got to put this back up the same way I'm taking it back, the same way I'm taking it down. So before I try to pull the wires out, I'm just going to undo the screw. You don't have to take the screw out all the way. You can slide it, and then it comes out over a little hole. Okay, and it looks like the backing piece of that one came off. Dabbing at it. That's okay. I'll have to put a washer up in there for this side when I get ready to do that. You see, when you get ready to install these, you can have the two screws in there, and then you push this up, put it through the holes of the screw, and then it swivels over, and then you've got a little area where it fits. Okay, so that's my first step. This is a 10-year battery operated smoke alarm. I got the power off, like I said. Well, that was funny. I just had a battery in there, and it went off. I hope you caught all of what I was saying on that last little video segment. But I've got this smoke alarm down now, and this is a 10-hour lithium battery backup, and it's hardwired. Okay, and I was going to say, if this chirps, and see, I just saw the light flash. That's because it's in the battery mode. If it happens to chirp or anything on me, it's okay, but the battery's in here. Sometimes when you take out a battery-operated smoke alarm, they could chirp on you, but I'm going to leave that over here in the corner. And I was going to show you on this. It was installed on here and over here, and see that little backing thing as far where the screw fits on there. This one broke off. You see how it snapped off on the back side, but that's okay. I'm gonna get a washer, or I'll figure out something, how to put something on here, so when I get the two screws back on here, I'll get it to tighten up. But basically we have to reinstall that. Okay, so I know that the breaker's off. Now, could it be possible, Joe, that there's two different circuits up here? It could be possible. It could be, but I don't think there is. I'm still gonna be careful with this as I pull everything down. I probably should have my gloves on, maybe, but I don't. And you see, I can tell that I should only have one set of wires up here. Well, there's two. One set of wires coming into this box, one set of wires going back out of the box, because I only see two blacks, two whites, two reds, and that should be on two sets of wires. One set of wires coming into the box, one set of wires going out of the box. So, you know, if I were to take the black and the white off and put my wire tester on there, it should say no power, no bueno, which it should. And there's red. Now, when I run my power, I'm gonna take the wire nuts off of the white and black. Okay, and that's it. I'm going to get my tester and just test that, just to be on the safe side. But I got full confidence that that circuit is off. And I take my wire tester and hold it on the white wires and the black. The little orange light should go on if the power was still on, and it's off. And what you could do is, on your wire testers, to make sure that the wire tester, you know, is working properly. You don't want to just make the assumption, I guess. We can see, look at that. Here's the back. Here's the back of the of that little piece that's snapped off. And if I can't find anything, I could almost put that back on with super glue, crazy glue. So I might save that. I've got a box electrical outlet back here, and we're just going to look at it. If this is working, and if these are not on the same circuit, this should be on. See, there's an orange light. So I know that this is working properly, and there should be no power up there. Okay. All right. So I'm gonna get back up there, and we're gonna pull the wires apart.